Disclaimer. This material is for informational purposes only and does not constitute a call to action. Trading always involves risks, and access to the bot is granted only if all rules are followed. So hello everyone, dear friends. It's been a while since we've seen each other because there have been a lot of updates that I can't share. And I really want to show you what we've changed and how, thanks to these changes, the accuracy of the signals I receive has already reached 96%. So today we will be trading on the over-the-counter foreign exchange market, and for now let's prepare the currency pairs that we would like to trade with you. These will be the Arab dirham and the Chinese yuan, as well as the Australian dollar and the US dollar. So let's start with our robot. Let's take a look. First of all, we've improved the interface, and now each currency pair is organized in a structured way, which will help you choose an asset more easily. For me, for example, it's become much more convenient this way. We've also added a time selection feature, so you can trade in 10 seconds, 1 minute, 2, 3, 4, 5 or even 10 minutes. We removed the other time frames because they're no longer relevant. So here we checked the precise signals. It's just incredible. I can tell you one thing, lately I've been trading quite often and consistently. And I really noticed the difference. The signals have become much more accurate than they were before. So let's choose the first asset. Australian dollar, US dollar. Let's go to this asset. We'll choose a signal for, let's say, 1 minute. We can see that the trading robot is telling me to open a buy trade. Right after receiving the signal, I open this trade. We can see that the volatility is moderate and the robot has fully checked the technical analysis there. The accuracy of this signal is 91% with an upward direction. And the signal was only valid for 5 seconds. This means that during this time, I needed to manage to open this trade. Now while this trade is in progress, let's see what the trading robot tells us. It shows that we have a light support zone here from which it predicts a price reversal upward. The overall trend dynamics are upward. We can see that there have already been multiple breakouts of the zone, but the price still reverses each time. Accordingly, buyers are not allowing sellers to push the price lower. As a result, we can expect the price to continue rising. That's all there is to it. I completely agree with the robot, so I'm confident that my trade will close in profit. So by the way, this robot is absolutely free for each of you, available via the link in the description below this video. Meanwhile, I earned $460 in net profit in literally 1 minute of trading. And it's all thanks to the trading robot. As you may have noticed, we are trading on a real account. And by doing so, I'm proving to you that I don't want to say anything unnecessary or anything like that. I'm only telling you how I trade, showing you how I trade, and showing you my results. Always remember one thing, trading always involves risks. And if you trade incorrectly and don't use common sense, sooner or later you could lose your capital. You need to be prepared for that. But on my part, I provide tools that can help you minimize these risks. And this tool is my trading robot. As I mentioned earlier, this trading robot is absolutely free for each of you. The link to it will be in the description below this video, so I trade profitably with it. If you want to try to replicate my results, activate this robot because there are only 4 out of 10 free activations left for today. So now I'm moving on to our next asset. Arabian dirham, Chinese yuan. We select this asset, start the signal for 1 minute and see that we need to open a sell trade. Even though the price position was at the very top in the peak zone, I still open a sell trade because I completely trust the trading robot. Let's pay attention to what's happening here. We see a good drop in the price. We see that the trading robot has analyzed this asset and tells us that there is a strong resistance zone here from which the price should reverse and go down. So we followed its advice, and in fact, at this moment the price has already reversed. It is falling sharply, just as the trading robot predicted. Based on this, I understand that this trade should close in profit for me, and I will earn $460 from it. Why does the trading robot predict the market so accurately? Because it is based on artificial intelligence, and thanks to being powered by artificial intelligence, it simply understands the future price movement. That's all there is to it. The most complicated things are actually simple. I earned $460 in just 1 minute of trading, and as a result, both trades out of 2 that the trading robot gave me closed in profit. So, in my opinion, and in my case, this tool is really awesome. It truly helps me make money and genuinely improves my trading. If you want to test out this robot, just follow the link in the description below this video. This robot is free. I wish each of you a great day, and see you next time. Goodbye everyone.